Cash is not king. Why real estate? Why real estate? Why would anybody want to invest in real estate? Why would you want to buy a property? Why do I love to buy properties? Well, firstly, because it's real. You could touch it. It's not some piece of paper like stocks or bonds, mutual funds, where you own a piece of paper and it says you own this much in a company. No, it's real. You could touch it. You could kick the door open, move inside, live in it. You could have a tenant who just loves to pay you monthly, and it's tangible, you know. So let's write that down. It's real. It's one of the most obvious reasons. It's one of the most simple reasons. My second reason would be my favorite. Cash flow. Real estate has been time and time again proven to be the best asset class to keep giving you constant cash flow. No matter what, people always need a place to stay. The population is rising. They're not building any more land. People always need a place to stay. And you know when they say cash is king, it's wrong. Cash is not king. Cash flow is king. See, when I go to the bank and I want to borrow some money, the banker doesn't ask how much cash do you have in the bank. The banker asks, what's your cash flow? Show me your income statement. Show me how much money is coming in your account. Show me how much money is coming out of your account. Show me your cash flow. Real estate gives you stable cash flow. And if you treat it nice enough, if you hold it long enough, it will do you wonders. Generational security. Time and time again, it has been proven to provide you generational security, generational wealth. What do I mean by that? I mean that if you buy a piece of property and it's just paying you monthly and monthly and monthly, you could hold this property for as long as you like. It will pay your children. It can get passed down to your great children, your great 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 children, and just like that, generational security. And if you do hold it that long enough, you will see appreciation. Generally, if you're buying and not doing some business with it, like fix and flip or renovation and stuff. So if you're just buying it to have a tenant inside, you should calculate and people who sell real estate in 2 or 3 years, generally they'll see that they don't make any profit unless the market boomed and something like that. But generally, you should hold real estate at least 10, 15 years to reap the benefits, for the benefits to come to fruition. Why is that? Because usually on a good property, it would take 8 to 10, sometimes 15 years, depending on where you live, to get your money back. Only after that, you're getting complete profit. You've got your 100% of your investment back, and you just profit full all the way for as long as you keep it. So keep the property. Appreciation around the world, best places, sometimes 3-4% appreciation on your property, 2%, 1% per year. But if you hold it 15 years, it's just something else. Cash on cash is another reason. A lot of times there's investments where you put cash and you've got to wait for some miracle to happen. You've got to wait for something to take place. You have to wait a year, wait 2 years, wait 3 years, wait 4 years. You kind of don't know how much money you're going to get back. Whereas in real estate, it's cash on cash. The minute you put cash inside, you know exactly how much cash you're going to get back. All right, through your calculations. There's no surprises. You don't know, there are no surprises in here. You're more or less the same as the calculations before you purchased your investment, especially if you know how to calculate properly. Put money inside, I ask myself whenever I buy a property, when am I going to get it back? How am I going to get it back? And how long will it take me to get it back? And that's it. It's simple. It's safe. In my opinion, it's the best asset class. Most of your assets should always be real estate. That's because you have control over it. You're not waiting for some company to do good or some company to fail and then you could buy it. No, you have complete control over it. You could renovate it. There's so many different ways you could enter into the real estate business. There are multiple entrance strategies, multiple exit strategies. You could, to buy real estate. These days you could do Airbnb, property manage it, or even rent real estate long term and then rent it short term, or rent it daily, or, remove the furniture, buy new furniture, rent that place for 5 years and, start doing like a hotel business. There's so many different ways. You could buy a property, renovate it, problematic properties, renovate it, fix it, sell it. You could just buy a property, change the kitchen, how you see fit. Just add value. Buy low, sell high, add value. That sounds fair enough, right? Capital preservation. We live in a time where the governments are printing money. Your dollar has come out of the gold standard a long time ago, which means your dollar is not backed by gold anymore. Long time ago, when everyone was dealing with gold, they said, come put your gold in the bank. I'm going to give you a piece of paper. This is more safe for you. This is the dollar. 20, 30 years later after that, they took the gold away from the dollar, and now you're holding fake money. It's not even real. This fiat currency. See, look what happened to Zimbabwe. The government printed so much money that they had to, carry money with these carts because the money became practically worthless. All right, but real estate, it combats inflation. If the government's printing money and your currency is devaluing, your property prices are going up because the cost of construction goes up, the cost of the materials used to build this property goes up. So it's the best way to preserve your cash. All right, capital preservation. Remember that. Tax benefits. It's a little bit advanced. I don't want to get into that in this episode. It's a little bit advanced, but I'll give it to you in a nutshell. A lot of people hate taxes. They don't like taxes. They don't like paying taxes. They even try to avoid taxes. Well, when you buy real estate, especially when you buy real estate on an LLC, I'm going to show you how you could avoid taxes. Legal way. I'm going to show you how you could start loving taxes. I'm going to show you how to even make money from taxes. So it has a lot of tax benefits. I'm going to go into them in detail in the next episodes. So hope you guys enjoyed. Let's go.